Nature never ceases to amaze us with its incredible and sometimes downright bizarre phenomena. From glowing waves to rocks that move on their own, our planet is full of mysteries that challenge our understanding of science and reality. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring more fascinating content like this. Now, get ready to discover 10 natural phenomena that seem impossible, but are absolutely real. Phenomenon 1. Bioluminescent waves. Imagine walking along the beach at night and seeing the ocean glow in an eerie blue light. This phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is caused by tiny organisms called phytoplankton that emit light when disturbed. Found in places like the Maldives and California, this magical glow looks straight out of a fantasy movie. But it's 100% real. Phenomenon 2. Fire rainbows. Despite the name, fire rainbows have nothing to do with fire or rain. These stunning displays happen when sunlight passes through ice crystals high in the atmosphere, creating a brilliant spectrum of colors that resemble flames. They're rare and require specific atmospheric conditions to appear, making them one of nature's most fascinating spectacles. Phenomenon 3. The sailing stones of Death Valley. In the scorching heat of Death Valley, massive stones weighing hundreds of pounds mysteriously move across the desert floor, leaving long trails behind them. For years, scientists were baffled by this strange occurrence. The answer? A thin layer of ice forms beneath the stones on cold desert nights, allowing them to glide when the wind blows. This eerie sight is as mysterious as it is mesmerizing. Phenomenon 4. Bloodfalls in Antarctica. Deep in Antarctica, a waterfall that looks like it's bleeding flows down the icy landscape. Known as bloodfalls, this phenomenon is caused by iron-rich water seeping through the ice, oxidizing upon exposure to air, and turning a deep red color. Despite its eerie appearance, it's completely natural and harmless, though it certainly looks like something out of a horror movie. Phenomenon 5. The Catatumbo lightning. In Venezuela, near Lake Maracaibo, a persistent lightning storm rages on almost every night of the year. Known as the Catatumbo lightning, this phenomenon can produce up to 280 flashes per hour, illuminating the night sky with a spectacular display of natural fireworks. Scientists believe it's caused by unique atmospheric conditions in the region, making it one of the most consistent and powerful lightning storms on Earth. Phenomenon 6. Morning glory clouds. Imagine waking up to see massive cloud formations rolling through the sky like waves on an ocean. These rare clouds, known as morning glory clouds, occur primarily in Australia and can stretch for miles. Their formation is still not fully understood, but they are believed to be linked to atmospheric pressure changes and humidity levels. Pilots and skywatchers alike are fascinated by their surreal beauty. Phenomenon 7. Fairy circles of Namibia. Across the Namib Desert, thousands of mysterious circular patches, known as fairy circles, the landscape. For decades, scientists debated their origin, with theories ranging from underground termites to complex ecological processes. Some locals even believe they have supernatural origins. Despite recent studies, the true cause of these perfect circles remains an ongoing mystery. Phenomenon 8. The Great Blue Hole. Off the coast of Belize lies a massive underwater sinkhole known as the Great Blue Hole. This stunning circular formation, over 300 meters wide and 125 meters deep, attracts divers from around the world. Inside, scientists have discovered ancient stalactites, suggesting that the hole was once a dry cave during the Ice Age. The deeper you go, the more mysterious it becomes, with unique marine life and unexplored depths. Phenomenon 9. The underwater river of Cenote Angelita. Deep within the cenotes of Mexico, divers have discovered an underwater river, complete with trees, leaves, and even a visible current. This bizarre sight occurs due to a layer of hydrogen sulfide separating fresh water from salt water, creating the illusion of a river flowing beneath the ocean. It's a breathtaking, yet eerie experience that proves how strange and wonderful nature can be. Phenomenon 10. The Eternal Flame Falls. Hidden within a forest in New York State, the Eternal Flame Falls is a tiny waterfall with a surprising secret: a natural flame that burns continuously beneath the cascading water. This happens due to natural gas seeping from the ground, which ignites when exposed to air. It's a perfect example of how fire and water can coexist in the most unexpected places. Phenomenon 11. Aurora Borealis in Australis. The Aurora Borealis in Australis, also known as the Northern and Southern Lights, are among the most breathtaking natural displays on Earth. These vibrant, dancing lights are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's magnetic field, creating colorful waves of green, pink, and purple across the polar skies. While the aurora borealis is visible in northern regions like Norway and Alaska, its southern counterpart, the aurora australis, can be seen in places like Antarctica and southern New Zealand. These phenomena remind us of the incredible power and beauty of our planet's interaction with the cosmos. Phenomenon 12. Volcanic lightning. Volcanic lightning is a rare and electrifying phenomenon that occurs during volcanic eruptions. As ash, gas, and rock are violently ejected into the atmosphere, the particles collide and generate static electricity, creating bolts of lightning that illuminate the ash plume. This dramatic combination of fire and electricity, often referred to as a dirty thunderstorm, is both mesmerizing and terrifying. It showcases the raw, untamed forces of nature at work, turning an already powerful eruption into a surreal, almost otherworldly spectacle. Phenomenon 13. Lake Hillier. Lake Hillier, located on Middle Island in Australia, is a stunning natural wonder famous for its vibrant pink color. The lake's unique hue is caused by the presence of specific algae and halophilic bacteria that thrive in highly saline waters. What makes Lake Hillier even more fascinating is that its color remains vivid year-round, unlike other pink lakes that depend on seasonal factors. Surrounded by lush greenery and the deep blue of the ocean, this bubblegum pink lake looks like something out of a dream. Phenomenon 14. Pillars of light. Pillars of light are vertical beams of light that appear to stretch into the sky, creating a surreal and almost celestial display. This phenomenon occurs when light from natural or artificial sources reflects off ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. Most commonly seen in cold regions during winter, light pillars can appear in various colors, depending on the source of the light. They give the impression of glowing columns connecting the Earth to the heavens, leaving viewers mesmerized by their ethereal beauty. Phenomenon 15. Fire whirls. Fire whirls, or fire tornadoes, are rare and intense phenomena that occur during large wildfires. They form when hot air rises rapidly, creating a spinning column of flames that can reach hundreds of feet into the sky. These fiery twisters can move unpredictably, spreading fire and destruction over vast areas. While they are dangerous and destructive, fire whirls are also visually stunning, with their swirling flames creating an almost hypnotic display of nature's raw energy. Phenomenon 16. Lenticular clouds. Lenticular clouds are natural wonders that often leave onlookers in awe due to their unusual UFO-like appearance. These stationary, lens-shaped clouds form when moist air flows over mountains, creating layers that resemble stacked pancakes or flying saucers. Found in areas with strong winds and high altitudes, such as near the Rocky Mountains, lenticular clouds are often mistaken for alien spacecraft. Their surreal shapes and vibrant colors during sunrise or sunset make them one of the most photogenic cloud formations. Phenomenon 17. Frost flowers. Frost flowers are delicate ice formations that bloom in freezing conditions, creating intricate patterns that resemble fragile petals. They form when moisture from plants or surfaces freezes upon contact with cold air, often during calm and frosty mornings. These ephemeral creations are as beautiful as they are fleeting, melting away as the sun rises. Frost flowers are a reminder of nature's ability to craft stunning works of art, even in the coldest and harshest environments. Phenomenon 18. Moonbows. Moonbows, or lunar rainbows, are rare and magical phenomena that occur when moonlight refracts through water droplets in the atmosphere. Unlike traditional rainbows, moonbows are fainter and often appear white to the naked eye due to the low light levels at night. They are most commonly seen in places with waterfalls or heavy mist, such as Victoria Falls or Yosemite National Park. Experiencing a moonbow feels like witnessing a hidden, mystical version of nature's beauty, reserved for those who venture out under the moonlit sky. Nature is full of wonders that challenge our perception of reality. Whether it's glowing waves, moving stones, or eternal flames, these phenomena remind us that our planet is still full of mysteries waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about our world's most fascinating wonders. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious.